Hey guys, welcome back. It's Alexis here with Sisters Forever, and today we are just gonna test out some of my slimes. Which one's better? I made this one yesterday. I'll be right back. I am back here with all my slimes. So this is like 6 weeks, I guess. And this one's like, I say, I made this one a year ago because it's 2018, and this was like, oh my gosh. This one was like a year ago and a couple months. So I made this one yesterday. I couldn't post a video because like my camera, something, it's cold in my room. But yeah. So we're just going to test out which one is better. This one's very, very glossy. Because it's like very glossy. I could take it out and it's awesome. You know how some glossy slimes are very sticky. But it's also like, it's glossy and stretchy. But it also is like fluffy. Because I added some shaving cream. And I think it doesn't look very fluffy. So, yeah. There's my 1-day-old slime. So, we're just going to be testing out like 1-day-old slime. Seeing which one's better. Comment down 1-day-old slime. And then this one's 6 months old slime. I think. Sorry. This one is my 6-month-old slime. Basically a year. But this is very It's my phone. Yeah, my phone. So this is that one big ass one. I added some like beads in there. Ow! But yeah. Look how sticky this is. And I added some like beads in, rubber bands. But yeah. I have on pants over these right here. For short. But anyways, I have this slime too. This one's like, I don't like it. It's very watery. Like when you get it out, it's like, the texture is very horrible. Like, it feels like it's smooth and all, but like it's very stretchy. But yeah, it's very stretchy. It's a little bit of pokey, not for real, but it's very stretchy, and that's kind of what I like about it. So, and this is a year-old slime. We're just gonna call it a year-old slime. Even though I got this one a year ago, but this one's like 6. All the slimes that I started out with first, it was like, so I had a purple one. I had to give that to my notification shout out person, and I gave one to my friend, and then a green one I had, it got super dry. It was still in here. I haven't thrown it away. But I have no clue where it is. So, unless it's in here. But anyways, yeah. So I really love this one because it's like glossy, and I would love to have some more followers. If you ever see this video, please like and subscribe. Because I only have one subscriber right now. That's sad. But anyways, this is cold. This can make good bubbles. Very sticky.